Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review, back with another video. So today I'll be reviewing Red Dragon Asura K501 gaming keyboard. So let's get started. So I've been using this keyboard for a few weeks and it is quite good keyboard, I would say. At the top of the keyboard we have Windows lock button, which is used to lock the Windows key. So now as we can see that the Windows key is now taking command and opening the Windows menu while I'm pressing it. So now if I press the Windows lock button and try to press the Windows, it won't work, which is very good option for the gamers out there who accidentally press Windows key while playing game. The next thing we have over here is arrow key switch. It is used to switch arrow key and WASD key. So if we press this button, WASD key will act as arrow keys and the arrow key will act as WASD keys, which is a very good option for gamers. So the next thing we have over here is a knob to control the intensity of the backlight. So as we rotate it to the right side, the brightness of the light increases, and as we rotate it to left side, the brightness of the light decreases. The next key we have over here is macro key. This key is used to program the 8 programmable keys. So as I click the macro key, the indicators start blinking, and now I can press any of the programmable key, such as I clicked on G5 button and the indicators start blinking fast. So now I'll go and press any combo button such as Ctrl A, and then I'll go back again and click on the macro key and the recording stops. So as you can see that I'm pressing G5 and it's taking the command of Ctrl plus A, which is quite good option, and again it's a very good option for the gamers out there who try the combo moves. The next key is adjustable speed input button. This key gives us 2 speed option for the input of letters. So as we know that this keyboard is Rgb Backlight keyboard, there are total 7 colors which we can switch or turn off by using this key. And yes, these keys are quite responsive while typing and gaming. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.